Midterm Portfolio in Prof. Edoc 10 by Jessa Ancilosenia from BTB TED FP3A. So, this is my table of content. Nakapaloob is yung training needs analysis, 1 to 94 pages. Module 2, training plan, 90 to 211 pages ang nagawa ko po. And Module 3, training progress sheet, 211 to 222 pages. So, Module 4, trainees record book, to 222 and to 238 pages po. And Module trainees facilities list checklist, 238 to 356 pages. So, andito po yung nakapaloob yung basic, common, and core ko po sa aking TNA. So, here is my summary na lang po. And hanggang po sa responded 10 po siya. So, yun lang po. Ni-merge ko na po siya para po pasunod-sunod din po yung pagkalagay ko po. May common competency. Yan. Dito ko po siya kinumpleto hanggang sa respondent 10 po. So, summary ko na lang po. Apply biosecurity measure, administer drugs, and handle stored drugs, and biologics, collect, handle specimen. Hanggang po responded 10 po siya. Responded 9. Yan po. Hanggang responded po. Here, may ano po siya, core, competencies, current competence, training gaps, and requirements po. Yung mga nag-know po, 1.3 training needs po. Ito po siya, yung ginawa ko po. May mga nag-know and lead work with communication, develop small teams, lead small teams, develop and practice, negotiation skills, and use mathematical techniques, use mathematical concept and techniques po. Yan po. Training needs, learning outcomes, nakapaloob na po lahat-lahat nasa aking TR. So, hanggang po sa responded 10 po siya. So, 6 here po, responded 7 and 8. And this is yung mga nag-know. Yan po. May nag-know po and may nag-yes rin po. Kumbaga, combine po sila. Ang none po is yes. Ang LO po is no. And TNA from 1.2, finding training gaps, is the goal. Animal health care management and city, review the present versus required competency. It's entail constructing in knowledge and abilities that employees now process with NC3 requirements data collection. The identification of certain mismatches gaps, the consolidation and qualification are those gap responded, and their animal health care final summary identifies and most common competency deficiencies and points out areas requiring focus on the trainee. TNA Form 1.3. So, andito po yung aking ginawa, training needs. So, this determines discrepancy between an individual present skill that will needed for their position or NC3 certification is identified per area which is a required of TESDA. So, ito na lang po yung training plan ko. Ipapakita ko na lang po for my training plan. Pinasunod-sunod ko na po siya sa merge for complete instruction po. So, ito lang po. Hanggang po sa TR, lahat ko po pinag-copy-paste. And nag-create rin pa ako na my self-venue po. Kaya ko po siya nagawa. And then, kumuha ko din sa TRs ng mga tools and equipment. Yan po siya. Hanggang po trainee 10 po sila. Ginawan ko po sila na trainee 10. Ito naman po yung list of equipment and materials po. Yan po. Pinakipakita ko na lang po yung aking work. Nilagay ko po yung mga kinapipis ko po sa TR yung mga equipment. And nilagay ko po dito sa aking qualification po. Student, Animal Healthcare Management, C3 po yung aking title. And this is a trainee record book naman po. Trainee 4 yung nag-know. And Animal Healthcare Management and C3. So, Institution Camarines Sur Polytechnic College. 208 duration po. Supervisor name, me, Jess Ansel Lucena po. So, ito na po yung aking record book po. At can you see po, madami-dami po ang aking nagawa po. Ito po siya. Lahat po dito na po nakalagay. So, yun lang po. And thank you po. That's all.